All right, ciao, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity. I am over here in the testing kitchen of Meals for Longevity. I'm going to show you where all the testings are done. It's a nice kitchen. It's a kitchen of a home, so I can actually perform the recipes for you that you can actually do at home for the new modern Mediterranean diet. So I'm going to start this just to practice, because next year we're going to do this every single evening. We have testing Monday through Thursday with 4 people that they come and test all the international recipes that I developed for the new modern Mediterranean diet. We usually do 4 or 5 testing for each recipe till all the judges say okay. So let's see what I'm doing tonight. So I'm here with one of my recipes that I print black and white. I saw a couple of mistakes, so I am updating this recipe. That this is try number 4, and we're doing a mushroom and spinach soup. And let's go ahead and check together. Very good. So it's almost finished, and the only thing that we are missing to do is to bring it back to boil very quick. And we're gonna put some tomatoes, and then as soon as it boils back, it's ready to be served. And let's see what else we're gonna be doing tonight. All right, let's start from over here. I've made the ciabatta bread, and this tonight I'm serving 2 people, so this is enough for 2 people. I'm gonna make it crispy, and I'm going to slice it and serve in the basket. I have a turkey tenderloin that I have topped with garlic and sage, marinated with white wine. I will cook in about 35 minutes. There's some thyme on top. It's very good to cook with the herbs. And then I have blanched some asparagus. This is for 2 people. Then I'm going to saute over there with extra virgin olive oil and a little salt. I have some pasta that I'm going to be cooking in about 10 minutes over there. And then over here I have some tomato sauce that is cooking very slow. So this is what we're gonna be doing. The soup is ready. So we're gonna start with a mushroom and spinach soup, and then I'm gonna be serving a turkey medallion that I'm gonna be slicing with some asparagus on the side. I'm going to saute with green onions and pasta on the side. So this is an example of what you get when you subscribe with Meals for Longevity. You get a portfolio of recipes. The target is about 250, 300. We're gonna start releasing them in packages of 50, just to make it easier for you to learn, also for me to verify. We've been working on this program for 3 years, and on the applications for 2 years. So just stay in touch with me. The best thing to do is subscribe on this channel on YouTube, and then also go on mealsforlongevity.com and you subscribe to the newsletter. So in that way, through the newsletter, I will send you the specials when there is a new release, what's going on. Over here, we're just going to send you a notification of the videos that I do, and we spend a little time together. In the future, we're gonna also open up to the questions. At this time, all the questions on YouTube channel that are off, just because we're still concentrating on the final testing. Down the road, when we have enough people, we're going to open to comments, and I'm gonna do videos also about your comments. My name again is Chef Giuseppe Urbano, and I'm originally from Italy, and this is a program for you to eat the modern Mediterranean diet without changing your way to eat. Ciao! As I say on my website, at the time, eating well.